Hey guys, Richard Constable here. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 one-finger chords to play. Okay, very simple, but they sound great and you can use them in tons of different songs. Let's jump into it. So the first chord doesn't require your left hand, just your strumming hand, and it's the bottom 3 strings, okay? These 3, 1, 2, 3. And if you strum them all together, it gives a very nice E minor chord, okay? So it's just half of an E minor chord, but you can still use it for lots of different songs and it sounds very nice. It's kind of a sad sounding chord, but you know, it still sounds really, really nice. So the second chord we're going to learn is using our first finger, and it's on the first fret of the first string, right down in the corner. We want to have our thumb flat at the back. We don't want them peeking over, just flat at the back. And then we want to be using our first finger on the first string. Really try and use the tips of your fingers here, because it will really help you when you come to do your bigger chords, and it just helps to not touch the other strings. Okay, so right down the corner, first fret of the first string. Here we go. So that's your G7 chord. It's used in a lot of blues songs. Okay, it sounds really, really nice. And you can actually go from the E minor to the G7 very easily. So the third chord we're going to learn is called the G chord. Now this is the bottom half of the G chord. We're going to be using your third finger. Again, we want the thumb flat at the back, and we want to be using the tip of your finger. If you can, try and have your finger as close as you can to the metal divider, the fret divider here, and that will ensure a better sound from your chords and your notes. So that's your G chord. Again, it's a very nice sounding chord. And this is in a whole host of songs, and it's actually one of my students' favourite chords. Okay, and then the G7. Minor. So that's our first 3 chords. Now, the fourth chord we're going to learn is called the C chord. Again, we use the first finger, but we have to jump over this first string. This is a bit tricky to start with for beginner guitarists, because it's very easy to hit this bottom E string with your finger and mute it by accident. So it doesn't sound as nice. But once you practice it for a while, and you get your finger right in between the strings, that's quite a nice sound coming out of it. This is your C chord. Again, it's one of the hardest of the first 5 chords I'm going to teach you today, but with a bit of practice and perseverance and moving your finger around, you will be able to do it within a short period of time. So again, we want our thumb in the middle at the back. We don't want them creeping over or going underneath. We want it directly flat. So give yourselves a thumbs up and put that in the middle of the back of the guitar. So that's your C chord. So the 5th chord I'm going to teach you today is the E major chord. Okay, so we've done E minor, which is all open strings. That sounds really nice. Now we're going to do the happier sounding major chord, and that is on the first fret of the 3rd string. So all the way down here, so we count 3rd string, 1, 2, 3, and we go on the 1st fret in that first block here. Okay, so let's play that. So the bottom 3 strings. It's a slightly happier sounding chord. It has a really nice sound. So going through all of the chords, all 5, we've got the E minor, which is all open. Then we have the G7, which is 1st fret of the 1st string. Then we have G chord, which is the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Then we have the C chord, which is the 1st fret of the 2nd string. And then to finish, we've got the E major, which is the 1st fret of the 3rd string. Okay. So there's your 5 easy one-finger chords on the bottom 3 strings of the guitar, just to get you started. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment and a thumbs up. Please share as well if you can, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.